Today it's all about the muffin pan. Stick around and I'll show you what we're making in the muffin pan. I love muffin pan recipes. They're so simple. You can just fix them up, bag them up, freeze them up, take them to lunch. I mean, they're just so versatile and easy. So today we're doing a ricotta and egg muffin pan recipe with spinach and some spices and seasoning in it. So stick around and we'll get this thing going. So today we're making the spinach ricotta bites. I like anything that you can put in a muffin pan because you can divvy it out nice and easy and everything. So the ingredients are pretty simple. We have, this is about 4 ounces of chopped up spinach. This is a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. We have 2 cups of ricotta cheese here, and 4 eggs, and a cup of mozzarella cheese. And I've got a half a teaspoon of minced onion and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. I use that Kinder's spicy garlic, but you use whatever garlic powder you like, or you can use fresh. So let's mix all this up and we'll get it rolling. First we'll start with our ricotta cheese. We'll put that in there. Just want to get everything in the bowl here. And this recipe comes from Tammy Lynn off of the Virta community, and I thank you, Tammy, for inspiring me to make this, and we'll see how it turns out. So let's put our spices in. And then I'm just going to stir this up first and get it going. I also want to do a shout out to Keto, Fuel, and Flavor. It's a Facebook group. It's run by a guy that's in the Virta program. His name's John Bates, and his wife. And if you get a chance, stroll over there and join up. He shares a lot of very good recipes, some community action taking place there just in the keto family. So if you get a chance, check that out. All right, that looks blended up. Now I'm going to throw the spinach in and just stir that up just a little bit, and we'll put it in our pan. Like I said, I love muffin pan recipes. This is probably the first one I've made. Well, yeah, probably is the first one I've made without any actual meat in it. So, all right, that's blended up. Let's get the muffin pan and get it in there. All right, here's our muffin pan. I've got it pre-greased, and now we're going to just divvy this up in here. Don't have a real scientific method of doing this except for just scoop it in. Probably be better if I had a better scooper. And while I'm doing this, just want to encourage you to subscribe to the page if you're interested in the low carb keto stuff. Man, my page is about just keeping things simple, coming home from work or whatever and putting it together real quick, or prepping it to take to work, whichever works best for you. But yeah, I appreciate all those that have subscribed, and just like the video if you want to, and we'll just keep the channel trucking right along. Yeah, I'm making a mess here. Probably a ice cream scooper or cookie scooper would work better, but gotta have one. All right, here they are. I'm gonna go put them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees for right around 30 minutes and see how they turn out. Fresh out of the oven. Let's get them out of there and try them out. Alrighty, here they are. I let them cool for a minute. And just a little side note, eggs will stick to a muffin pan. So you may have to use a plastic knife or something to go around the edges. So let's dig in and see what we think. All right, taste test time. Let's see how these bad boys are. Oh, I like that a lot. Still a little soft on the inside. I might have could have cooked it for about 5 more minutes maybe, but I saw it browning on top and I got worried. But man, that is real good. If you've ever had Jimmy Dean's frittatas, it kind of has that flavor to it. So heck yeah, I'm putting this in my routine, and I might fry me up a piece of sausage to go with it. Well, what do you know? I incorporated some spinach into my diet. And man, what a breeze that was to make. So yeah, try it out. It's simple, easy, and we'll do it again another day. Y'all have a blessed day now.